This 15th century East Sussex farmhouse, restored by Genevieve Harris, blends historic charm with fireplaces, beams, and a sunlit kitchen amid a rewilded garden. Let's take a closer look at the interior design. It is a rustic home with a classic pitched roof, exposed brick facade, and lush surroundings. A verdant archway frames the entrance, adding organic elegance to its timeless charm. A refined yet rustic space with exposed beam ceilings, antique furniture, and a grand piano, blending elegance with historical charm. Warm tones, natural materials, and curated decor, including artwork and framed pictures, create a welcoming and sophisticated ambience. The overall impression is that of a thoughtfully designed living space, balancing elements of traditional design with a comfortable and welcoming atmosphere. showcases a rustic yet functional kitchen or dining area with exposed beams and vibrant yellow cabinetry. Wooden furniture adds an eclectic charm, while natural light enhances the warm, lived-in feel. The rooms show a rustic, functional space with exposed beams, wooden furniture, and natural light, creating a cozy blend of tradition and minimalism. The bedroom exudes rustic elegance with exposed beams, a brass bed, vintage furnishings, and a brick fireplace, creating a warm, cozy ambience. A serene bedroom with soft gray walls, a fireplace, and a mix of antique and modern furnishings, creating a refined and tranquil ambience. The overall impression is that of a tranquil and refined space, balancing elements of traditional design with a modern sensibility. The room shows a rustic home with a light facade, a lush garden, and a cozy patio with a round table and chairs, creating a serene, inviting outdoor space.